Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to set Adobe Acrobat as default PDF viewer on your Windows 10 PC. By default, Edge is your default PDF viewer, and in case you want to change it to Adobe Acrobat Reader, then select any PDF and then right click on it. In the pop-up menu, select open with and then click on this one, choose another app option, and in the drop down menu select Acrobat, Adobe Acrobat, and then check this one option. Always use this app to open .pdf files and then click on this one OK button. From now onwards, whenever you will double click on any PDF file, it will automatically open with Adobe Acrobat Reader on your Windows 10 PC.